Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD and we're nearing oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see it diverge once more and we have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance in the meantime, now at the price of $25.36. As we extend that to the daily chart, we still remain in slightly positive MACD, approaching to negative MACD territory. If we were to continue to move down further, the next support level will be where you have the 150-day moving average, this red line at the price of $24.04. And as for resistance, that'll be where you have the 18-day moving average, this purple line at the price of $26.17. If we were to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 5.6%, and to test support, that is around 3.3% to the downside. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $21.87, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.67, and my stop loss is at $21.18. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.03, and that is this range here, which coincide with the 9-day moving average and the highs back in January 14th. My sell target for it is at $22.59, and my stop loss is at $24.79. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 56% chance for silver futures to climb between 0 to 5%, 11% chance to climb between 5% to 9%, and to the downside it has a 22% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. Further extreme case to the downside is 11% chance to fall between negative 5% to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.